Alright everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Habib, and if you're new, show some love, hit the like button, subscribe button guys. And today we're going to be talking about Arabian Oud. It's a Middle Eastern fragrance, and this house makes phenomenal fragrances guys. It's a niche Middle Eastern fragrance. Their first branch opened up in Riyadh, which is the capital of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and it opened up in 1982. So they've been around a while. They have numerous countries, I think 37 countries in which they operate in. They have like over 1,200 stores worldwide. They have a wide variety range of collection. Now, the perfume, the fragrance we're going to be looking at today is called Amiri. Now, Amiri in Arabic means, in some dialect, it means prince, in some it means leader. In some Asian languages and dialect, it also means wealthy or wealth. So we're not going to be getting into the notes and what the fragrance smells like and all about that today. What we're going to be doing is getting into the unboxing, because Arabian Oud not only makes phenomenal fragrances, but they put a lot of thought, a lot of mind, a lot of investment, and a lot of time into its presentation and packaging as well. That's what I want to share with you guys today. That's an entire experience in its own. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it guys.